Cycle 10, Week 3, Wendler, 531. God is a beast. Bench press. What is up, my dudes? It is your boy Mick at Mick Lifts YouTube channel. Just getting in another workout. Working set number 1, 225 pounds for 3 reps. Here's working set number 2, 255 pounds for 3 reps. Yeah, these early morning lifts definitely hit different. Working set number 3, 285 pounds for 3. Working set number 4, 255 pounds for 3. Working set number 5, 285 pounds for 3. Working set number 6, this is a AMRAP with 320 pounds. I ended up getting 4 reps. Reps 1 through 3 were pretty good. The second rep pause could have been longer, but rep number 4 was pretty darn ugly looking. On to some spot out bench press. Set number 1, 285 pounds for 4 reps. Set number 2, now we're up to 295 pounds for 4. Here's set number 3, this is 305. Set number 4, 315 for 4. So here's a superset from today. Exercise 1 of 2, standing dumbbell strict curl. 50-pound dumbbells, 10 reps each arm for 5 total supersets. This is the first exercise, and I go on to the next one immediately after I put down the dumbbells. I'm pretty happy with how far these dumbbell curls have went. I remember when the 40s were rough. Now these are 50-pound dumbbells. They're mostly strict. There's a little lean, little sway, but it's mostly all power. The second part of the superset, exercise 2 of 2, tricep extensions with a neutral grip bar, 70 pounds, 20 reps, 5 sets. So yeah, after doing those dumbbell curls, my arms are already pretty full and pumped. These are hard to bang out too. The hard thing here is to not have it turn into a behind the neck like strict press. You want to focus on using the triceps. So I like it. They hit pretty good. I love doing this superset. So as an added treat, here is a sculpture that I just finished. It's modeled after the Black Plague mask that doctors would wear back in the 16th century or whenever it was. I can't remember, maybe 13th. Anyway, they would wear this. I think it was 13th. Anyway, they would wear this and have like good smelling stuff at the beak, and they thought it was spread through air. But come to find out, it's actually spread through fleas and then mice. But anyway, another really good lift.